QQcute Bath Bomb Gift Set. Enjoy the pleasant of sharing and fizz up bath time experience. Premium value. Premium Bath Bomb Kit contains 8 large size balls 3 oz each, 10 small size balls 2 5-ounce each, 3 extra flowery bath salts bags. All are made with natural ingredients, ideal healthy choice for natural healing and relaxing. Best elegant gift set for all. Cute and lovely container with carry top design, perfect for birthdays, Christmas gift, anniversaries, Father's Day and Mother's Day. Better solution for party and wedding favors. Relax or enjoy fizzy fun. Bring this bath bomb kit to your families and turn your bath time into fizzy fun time at home. Best aromatherapy can relax your body and mind, moisturize your dry skin and ease muscle discomfort after a whole day hard work. All natural skin care. 3 extra flowery bath salt bags, rose, jasmine, lavender, provide a natural therapeutic way to cleanse, soften and detoxify skin, perfect to work with bath bombs blended with 8 natural essential oils separately. Cruelty-free, paraben-free and environment-friendly formula of these bath bombs is not tested on animals. We take environment protection into great account as well as your healthy. Please use them free of worry-friendly customer service. If for any reasons you're not satisfied with our products or service, please feel free to contact us and our customer service team will solve them quickly and efficiently. Note: fragrances may become mild after dropping the bath bomb into water due to natural ingredients. We recommend drop 2 bath bombs or more into water at the same time. Premium value, blended with 8 different natural essential oils. This bath bomb kit contains 8 big size balls 3 oz, 10 small size balls 2 5-ounce and 3 flowery bath salts packs, ideal for natural healing and relaxation. Great Mother's Day gifts. Elegant gift set. Best gift set comes in a cute container with a carry top, perfect for birthdays, Christmas gift, anniversaries, Father's Day and Mother's Day. Ideal for all ages, good for her, women, moms, kids and men. Better solution for party and wedding favors. Bring spa experience home. Best aromatherapy can relax your body and mind, moisturize your dry skin and ease muscle discomfort after a whole day hard work. Share your spa quality experience with your families and friends. All natural skin care, cruelty-free, paraben-free, extra flowery bath salt bags, rose, jasmine, lavender, provide a natural therapeutic way to cleanse, soften and detoxify skin, perfect to work with bath bombs. Add them to bathtub. Together Natural Healer contains 8 premium and natural essential oils for smoother and healthier skin, including ocean white, yellow jasmine, purple lavender, red rose, blue peppermint, pink chrysanthemum, green tea, yellow marigold. Perfect bath sets and kits for body skin care. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.